指
Refer to.
Refer to.
你指的是谁？你指的是谁？你指的是谁？
Who are you referring to?
Who are you referring to?
90后指的是哪些人？90后指的是哪些人？90后指的是哪些人？
Who does post-90s refer to?
Who does post-90s refer to?
90年代出生的人，90年代出生的人，90年代出生的人。
People born in the 1990s.
People born in the 1990s.
十全十美是指十分完美，没有任何缺陷。十全十美是指十分完美，没有任何缺陷。十全十美是指十分完美，没有任何缺陷。
Perfect refer to perfect without any flaws.
Perfect refer to perfect without any flaws.
精神，精神，精神。
Spirit. Mind. Consciousness.
Spirit. Mind. Consciousness.
昨天没睡好，今天精神不太好。昨天没睡好，今天精神不太好。昨天没睡好，今天精神不太好。
I didn't sleep well yesterday. I'm not in good spirits today.
I didn't sleep well yesterday. I'm not in good spirits today.
你今天怎么看起来这么没精神？你今天怎么看起来这么没精神？你今天怎么看起来这么没精神？
Why do you look so lethargic today?
Why do you look so lethargic today?
昨天熬夜赶报告。昨天熬夜赶报告。昨天熬夜赶报告。
I stayed up late yesterday to catch up on the report.
I stayed up late yesterday to catch up on the report.
他今天穿着运动服，看上去很精神。他今天穿着运动服，看上去很精神。他今天穿着运动服，看上去很精神。
He looked fresh in his tracksuit today.
He looked fresh in his tracksuit today.
教授，教授，教授。
Professor.
Professor.
教授是指在大学执教的资深教师。教授是指在大学执教的资深教师。教授是指在大学执教的资深教师。
Professors refer to senior teachers who teach in universities.
Professors refer to senior teachers who teach in universities.
她的丈夫是一位教授。她的丈夫是一位教授。她的丈夫是一位教授。
Her husband is a professor.
Her husband is a professor.
他在大学工作5年就当了教授。他在大学工作5年就当了教授。他在大学工作5年就当了教授。
He became a professor after working at the university for 5 years.
He became a professor after working at the university for 5 years.
数字，数字，数字。
Number.
Number.
在中国传统文化中，数字3代表和谐、稳定和吉祥。在中国传统文化中，数字3代表和谐、稳定和吉祥。在中国传统文化中，数字3代表和谐、稳定和吉祥。
In traditional Chinese culture, the number 3 represents harmony, stability and luck.
In traditional Chinese culture, the number 3 represents harmony, stability and luck.
9与9字同音，所以9被视为代表长久的数字。9与9字同音，所以9被视为代表长久的数字。9与9字同音，所以9被视为代表长久的数字。
9 has the same pronunciation as the word Jew, so 9 is regarded as a number that represents longevity.
9 has the same pronunciation as the word Jew, so 9 is regarded as a number that represents longevity.
数字10代表什么意思？数字10代表什么意思？数字10代表什么意思？
What does the number 10 mean?
What does the number 10 mean?
象征着圆满、美好。象征着圆满、美好。象征着圆满、美好。
It symbolizes perfection and beauty.
It symbolizes perfection and beauty.
说明。说明。说明。
Explain. Illustrate.
Explain. Illustrate.
他愿意为你做事，说明他喜欢你。他愿意为你做事，说明他喜欢你。他愿意为你做事，说明他喜欢你。
He is willing to do things for you, it means he likes you.
He is willing to do things for you, it means he likes you.
事实说明他没有说实话。事实说明他没有说实话。事实说明他没有说实话。
The facts showed that he was not telling the truth.
The facts showed that he was not telling the truth.
如果你喜欢蓝色，说明你一定是一个有礼貌、谦虚的人。如果你喜欢蓝色，说明你一定是一个有礼貌、谦虚的人。如果你喜欢蓝色，说明你一定是一个有礼貌、谦虚的人。
If you like blue, it means you must be a polite and humble person.
If you like blue, it means you must be a polite and humble person.
钥匙。钥匙。钥匙。
If.
If.
你要是好好学习，就不会不及格。你要是好好学习，就不会不及格。你要是好好学习，就不会不及格。
If you study hard, you won't fail.
If you study hard, you won't fail.
你要是有任何困难，就告诉我们吧。你要是有任何困难，就告诉我们吧。你要是有任何困难，就告诉我们吧。
If you have any difficulties, please let us know.
If you have any difficulties, please let us know.
你要是听我的，事情就不会搞成这样了。你要是听我的，事情就不会搞成这样了。你要是听我的，事情就不会搞成这样了。
If you had listened to me, things wouldn't have turned out like this.
If you had listened to me, things wouldn't have turned out like this.
你要是来捣乱的话，我就报警。你要是来捣乱的话，我就报警。你要是来捣乱的话，我就报警。
If you come to cause trouble, I will call the police.
If you come to cause trouble, I will call the police.
谢谢观看。